In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use MetaTrader 5 offline for chart analysis. This is perfect when you want to focus without live market distractions, travel without reliable internet, or simply prepare your charts ahead of time and review them later. Start by launching MetaTrader 5 on your computer while your internet is connected. This first connection is important because MT5 needs to download the data you'll use later. Once the platform is open, head to the Market Watch panel. Find the symbol you want to analyze, right-click it, and choose Chart Window to open the chart. Before going offline, you need to load enough price history. Click into the chart and scroll backward. As you scroll, MT5 automatically fetches older candles from the server and stores them locally. Do this on each time frame you plan to study because history is stored per time frame. At a minimum, repeat the scroll back on M15, H1, H4, and the daily chart if those are part of your workflow. You'll see the data filling in as you go. Next, open every chart you think you'll want to review offline, such as major pairs or a metal like EUR-USD, GBP-USD, or XAUSD. Give each chart a quick scroll back on your chosen timeframes so the data is cached. When your set is ready, save the whole workspace as a profile so it's easy to return to the exact same layout. Go to File, then Profiles, then Save As, type a clear profile name, and confirm. This locks in your chart arrangement, symbols, and time frames. Now you can disconnect from the internet. Turn off Wi-Fi or unplug the cable, and you'll likely see no connection in the bottom right corner of MT5. That's expected. Your charts remain fully accessible with the data you already loaded. You can continue your analysis as usual, draw trend lines, mark support and resistance, study price action, and apply any indicators that are already installed on your platform. Your objects and annotations are saved locally with the charts. Just avoid opening brand new symbols or timeframes you didn't prepare earlier, because those may not load without a connection. If you want to capture your work for journaling or review, right-click a chart and choose Save as Picture. This is a great way to document setups, practice ideas, and keep a record of your analysis flow. When you're ready to go back online, simply reconnect your internet. MT5 will detect the connection automatically and start updating charts with live data again, while keeping all your drawings and notes intact. That's all you need to work smoothly with MetaTrader 5 offline.